been snowing for over 24 hours. We already have well over a foot. Trees are bent over with snow, so heavy. It's the arborvitae by the front door. You can barely see the fence for the dogs. Balustrades, bent over arborvitae on the right side of the front door. It's all of our friends, the ghost family, sitting outside because they really like it when it's cold like this. There's the table. That gives you an idea of how much snow. That's well over 2 feet. It's more like 30 inches. Little house back there covered up. Bent over arborvitae. What doesn't kill you makes you stronger. There's a smart man right behind
you. And Nina is standing in the driveway, and I'm going to take a pan around so you can see what the store looks like, even though the parking lot has been partially cleared.
Snow. It's all piled up in there. Isn't that amazing?
Try to do that. Humongous pile of snow across that thing there. Nothing here open. And there's that face again. Hello.
Here we are out at the Chesterbrook Shopping Center, freezing our little bunsies off.
Stuck.
A man has his priorities straight. He trudges through the blizzard to acquire the one thing that a man cannot live without on Super Bowl Sunday. And that thing is, as he turns around, he faces the camera and he says,
"Good beer."
a man, a pickup truck, and a case of beer. The Odyssey continues.
only a double six-pack.
A double six-pack of beer. The Odyssey continues. We have at least another 12 to 18 inches on top of the already 30 inches we had. Do the math. How was it driving? Huh? This is Broad Street and Falls Church. This is the main street. This is Kirby Road. The snow is still falling. It is blizzard and whiteout conditions out there. No one on the road but us. Barely a snowplow in sight. There's the swim center and the pump station. And our home is right down there. You kind of see the top of the house.
You can see that we're completely snowed in.
Yeah, there's the mailbox.